Hello there, it's Mari Smith, and back by popular demand, I'm leading another free Facebook webinar. It's going to be on St. Patrick's Day. Let's go and have a bit of luck of the Irish and the Scottish too, and find some pots of gold on Facebook. This one is all about Facebook Insights. But first, I'll take you through a review of all the recent Facebook upgrades, including how the new page design affects your business, how you can post as your page, tagging, etiquette, iframes, comments, plugins, and all that jazz and what it means so you can stop tearing your hair out on Facebook. Instead, go ahead and be Superman or Superwoman. And the Facebook Insights, one of the big mysteries on Facebook for a lot of business owners, there are two most misunderstood Facebook metrics, and by focusing on these numbers, page owners are often getting a false reading on their page. Also, two different stats that are most often completely overlooked, and if you don't understand and know how to measure those, you can actually cause your page to plateau. And then the 5 key areas that I've identified to really help you to maximize your results, and the most important customized metrics to measure for your business success. So I hope to see you there. It is going to be Thursday, March 17th, 2011, St. Patrick's Day, 11 Pacific, 2 Eastern, allow about an hour. Everybody who registers will get the instant replay. marismith.com/FBwebinar2. Last time we had 7,500 people registered, 2,000 people showed up for the live event, and we're still getting an amazing number of people watch the recording. You'll get the slides, the handout, the transcript, the audio, the video, the works. So come along and join me. Look forward to having some fun. Meantime, here's a little jig for you.
Ow.